for everybody.
Are you trying to get a picture of us?
Yeah, I'm trying to make sure people know you're there.
Oh, just saying with this camcorder too, it does seem to tilt.
Does it?
Yeah, the
Hopefully it
tripod, I
doesn't.
mean, it tilts.
Yeah, we got a cat too.
I don't know why.
There's my kitty.
We're alright. Alright.
According to P&G Company, the average American household does 6 to 7 loads of laundry per week. That accounts for hundreds of dollars a year, not to mention the harmful chemicals that go along with store-bought laundry detergents. What if I told you there was a safe and effective method of doing laundry that is safe for you and the environment? And that would be using Soapnuts. I'm going to present to you the basics of soap nut use and why they should be a necessity in every home. First, we have the soap nut, which is actually a berry. So people with people with nut allergies don't have to worry. When you buy them by weight. So it's important that you buy them seedless because, as you can see, this giant hollow thing, the seed serves no purpose in cleaning. So just make sure you get them seedless. They grow off of trees and shrubbery belonging to the genus Sapindus. They are native to India and Asia. And if you go to the USDA's official website, you can see a map of them flourishing in all of the southern states here in the US. They blossom off a tree much like a cherry would, and then the soap nut is collected during the winter months and then dried and then sold. Nature Ollie is the soap nut distributor that I go through, and they're also the winner of the Green Dot Award last year. They give you a pamphlet that describes the different forms you could use soap nuts in. And the first would be as is. I have an ordinary glass of tap water, or jar. I'll put in half of a soap nut so you can see. This is an example of what's going on in your washing machine. As you can see, it's very sudsy. Well, it produces very little suds actually. But the magic all happens here in the water. There's saponin is being released, which acts as a natural surfactant. So it does what chemicals do in store-bought detergents, but naturally. You can also use it in powder form by just blending it up in a blender. And you could use it in liquid form by boiling it in water. If you do it in liquid form, you need to make sure that you only make as much as you could use in a week because there's no preservatives, so it will go bad. I primarily use soap nuts for laundry use. I take 4 to 5 soap nuts in a drawstring bag. You can put them in anything that will allow the soap nuts to become agitated. This baggie of 4 to 5 soap nuts could last as many as 5 loads. For those of you with hard water, you'll want to soak the bag in a glass of hot water for a few moments before adding it, just to ensure that you have saponin release. You can also use liquid and powder for laundry, those work well also. And since little suds are produced, well, when using soap nuts, they're great for HE washing machines. A soap nut will replace your detergent, your fabric softener, and dryer sheets. So that's a whole lot of saving. Soap nuts can also be used anywhere you use soap. So they are a non-abrasive jewelry cleaner. You can wash your car with them and not strip the wax off. You can wash your stainless steel appliances with them and your windows. Since they are natural and hypoallergenic, you can wash your pets and your own hair with them. Recently, they have been getting rave reviews in the organic gardening community because they're an all-natural pest deterrent. According to BibLab Das, author of articles from the website Down to Earth, researchers have found an extract in soap nuts that disrupts an enzyme in mosquito larvae, and that works similar with other insects, so it's always a plus. Lastly, and more predominantly in northern India. They're used for medicinal purposes, mostly with skin disorders such as eczema and psoriasis, but they swear by epilepsy or saponin's ability to cure epilepsy, which I thought was quite interesting, an interesting claim. In conclusion, I think soap nuts are the most versatile fruit on the planet. They are 100% natural and hypoallergenic, and I hope through this speech that I've convinced at least one person to try a gentle approach to cleaning. Thank you.